Scotland's space industry is taking off, but who will fuel its growth? The race is on to find the talent to launch Scotland into the cosmos. Millie Brown, a mechanical engineering student, never imagined herself in the space sector. Yet, her eyes have been opened to a universe of possibilities, thanks to the people she's met during her studies. Scotland's space industry is no longer a distant dream but a tangible reality, and it's growing at a rapid pace. Currently, around 8,000 people in Scotland are employed in space-related jobs. However, with the country gearing up to become a launch hub, there's a bold ambition to quadruple that number to 20,000 over the next decade. This expansion will require a diverse range of skills and talents. The first satellite launches from Saxevord in Unst, Shetland, are scheduled for 2026, with up to 30 rocket launches per year planned once the spaceport is operational. This, along with other Scottish space projects, will create a huge demand for various roles. Derek Harris, from rocket manufacturer Skyrora, highlights a critical issue. There's a significant shortage of specialists, such as embedded and system engineers, but we also need traditional manufacturing workers like welders. The challenge is to fill these roles as the industry expands. Skyrora's Cumbernauld facility, for instance, currently employs 85 staff, but they anticipate needing 250 to 300 employees when they scale up for commercial launches. And they're not alone. Satellite producer AAC Clyde Space, formed from a merger in 2019, has grown from just 2 staff members 20 years ago to around 200 people across 8 global locations. So, where is this talent coming from? Andrew Strain, AAC Clyde Space's CTO, reveals a diverse recruitment strategy. We hire from local colleges and universities, take on apprentices, and recruit from parallel industries like assembly and manufacturing. This approach ensures a steady stream of skilled workers, some with no prior space experience. Scotland's space sector is competing with other industries like renewables, oil and gas, defence, and manufacturing for talent. Ingmar Komalageran from the UK Space Agency emphasises the dynamic nature of this competition. It's an ever-evolving landscape, and the sector is growing. With approximately 55,000 people employed in the UK space sector, and a projected need for the same number again in the next decade, the race for talent is on. University students like Farbod Farui and Anushka Bonsodare are passionate about contributing to this growth. Farbod, an engineering student, has always been fascinated by space, and Anushka discovered her passion for engineering and space later in life. Both are determined to pursue careers in the Scottish space industry. Dr. Christy Maddock, a senior engineering lecturer, highlights Scotland's transformation. 15 years ago, Scotland didn't conduct any launches, and 25 years ago, we didn't make satellites. Now, we have launch systems, multiple spaceports, and a thriving space sector. This growth is set to continue, offering exciting opportunities for future workers. While Millie Brown considers a career in space, she also contemplates international opportunities. The challenge for Scottish companies is to retain talent in a competitive global market. But here's the twist: how can Scotland's space industry attract and keep the best talent? What do you think? Is Scotland's space sector doing enough to attract and retain the workers it needs? Share your thoughts in the comments below.